Round of applause, the angels bow when I take the stage. Something like a standing ovation before I spit a phrase. No worship and glorify God, cause they have seen his face. When I serenade, they feel like they ate food from his plate. When I elevate the minds into the...
I craft rhymes encrypted in divine codes, yoked up to my own mind alone. I'm not from around here, I come from the world unknown. And I came with the sounds that came from the south, to the solar plexus, seated at the center of the solar system.
The gene nestled that fang that bathed to attempt to tame veins. Armed with the sharp alphabet, I brought my A game. The gene nestled that fang that bathed to attempt to tame veins. Armed with the sharp alphabet, I brought my A game.
Alright, cool. Yo, Urban Rebel Culture, baby. You know what it do, what it does, man. It's your boy Craig Flow, the hippie naughty baby. Your uncle's favorite fucking uncle. Yo, I'm running alone, Fandaga Fetu. Veb decided to do something else, you know. It's a surprise to you, as it is a surprise to me, you know. Yeah, so Bafetu, Reliswareti, Urban Rebel Culture Cyphers, and then Munnake, I'm a dog, like, I'm fully armed. It's okay, well, I have to start with the, you know, Mongandao. It's very verbalistic. Shout out to Verbalist, man. It's very exquisite on my right. Murder. It's very obsession. You know what it do, man. We always bring you the freshest content. Yeah, hip hop, yeah, 05. And the 05 as a whole, you know. Popalere following, subscribing, and all of those things, man. Yeah. It's your boy Craig Flow. You know what it do. So we have a beat from Buzz P. Motivatlo Koela. Eren Naketwe. Kiba Siega Alice. Babuile Motivare. Who's first, who's going second and third. I don't know. Maybe Monganda Gatala or Agai Kuala or Agai Kenama Ring. So Labonala Wafit. I'm out of this. Kisia Libiti. Buzz P. Lala hate him fit. We out.
Last take.
Non-stop or
Sage the Great.
What's up, yo? Round of applause, the angels bow when I take the stage. Something like a standing ovation before I spit a phrase. No worship and glorify God, cause they have seen his face. When I serenade, they feel like they ate food from his plate. When I elevate the minds into that infinite state of fellowship with the killer and the sword, into a holy place, walk with me now. This is the pilgrimage, I got the streets flooded like ZCC when I open gates. I'm like a home, but you can feel me coming a mile away. Shines on the mic like a wax and blast like hand grenades. Battle me, you sliding with bare feet on razor blades. Hip-hop royalty, you know the name, call me Sage the Great. The way I bless the mic, I heard the church saying amazing grace. I left hip-hop, but I still come back to an empty space. This time I wreck the throne and rule and reign in this place. Cinematic flows, just look at how I change the pace for those running after me. I F1 nigga, just in case you think this is a race. Trapped in a maze, if you're thinking that this is a game. I cut to the chase, you can tell my rhymes are tailor-made. Unquenchable fire resources for you to call brigades. Like the king to Lazarus, when he tossed in his grave. Scorching heat when I blaze, let me give you a taste. I cremate, whack MC's flesh burning beyond the flames. I'm through with you limbs, my kinship is manifested. My horn was exalted long before you were conceived. So how can you be my contestant? Hip-hop my first love, it was me who made it pregnant. Check my DNA, no lies detected when it's tested. And I gave birth to offspring, so my greatness is being reflected.
It's exquisite. Legendary poet. Let's go. I craft rhymes encrypted in divine codes, yoked up to my own mind alone. I'm not from around here, I come from the world unknown. And I came with the sounds that came from the south, to the solar plexus, seated at the center of the solar system, psychically synchronized, to solidify the silently stolen mysteries from the seven skies. This is where holy mantras are chanted in tantra until the heavens cry. And now I'm a poet, I carry dimensions with me, and periodically I'd marvel the gods with my razor blade, sharp thoughts beaming from my crown chakra. My mind is dancing with the stars while I'm deciphering ciphers, decoding codes, decrypting encryptions in deep meditations. I let my mind roam beyond the galaxies where the meaning of life is hidden. I've been hollow inside with no shadow aside, so I'd walk alone, and this path is a burden. But I see the twinkle in your eye, that glitter and bliss blazing when you smile and admire the star. As the words swift and thoughts drift, I'd cock a wrist and form a fist. Please notice, this is God's gift. I've got wisdom painted all over my lips. I'd speak to the skies and concoct an eclipse. Or I'd just spit in the air and the clouds would clear. The stars crack and the skies tear. Cause I was baptized in the holy water, which was made from God's tears. And by now, this celestial thought patterns and galactic word concoction should have told you that I'm not from around here. I descend from the heaven of my forefathers, the spiritual land of sorcerers, the oracles, soothsayers, prophets and seers, where time is non-existent and death is just a mysterious mythical monologue fabricated by cowards who fail to see the complete circle of life crystal clear. I speak of a land which hovers alone beyond space, a chosen place with golden lakes, the home of grace, where if you really know his ways, then you hold his faith, like the Islamic crucifix of the olden days. This is where dreams are captured and hopes are made, a very distant war, countless infinite light years from here. I speak of a land which hovers alone beyond space, a chosen place with golden lakes, the home of grace, where if you really know his ways, then you hold his faith, like the Islamic crucifix of the olden days. This is where dreams are captured and hopes are made.
The gene nestled that fang that bathed to attempt to tame veins. Armed with the sharp alphabet, I brought my A game. The gene nestled that fang that bathed to attempt to tame veins. Armed with the sharp alphabet, I brought my A game. I'll split the world in two and handed you the in-betweens. You hit them on Jupiter's frozen moon and parameters of unforeseen as cannot be able patterns, vacated as eternal filters to my dreams. I use mythical insight as a slumber of death with caterpillars on my spleen. I've seen echoes of fiction be toasted civics before I fertilize into an embryo. I cue pixelating remarks, paragraph I dialect into eternalized cameos. Vandalize the patio, a gasp, grasp the fast mass breath as creativity spat on a splitting brain which paralyzed the stereo. When vocab robs dimension and form, I start drifting gravitational fields of nouns as ammo to reinstate words. For I was born, an astral projection of rigid human framework. A condemned mind's hands hide, a plain size 10 times as mankind's lens rise. To cherish and be one with the surreal, I send chimes and the Korea's ally, a stimuli to accompany my IQ as it bends time. I stand twined, mass beating with complex teasing, subject legions of dispatch credence, back away from button silhouettic, smooth structured base matrix simplicity leaks with attached feelings. Regret meaning, slow accordance with lack reason. Sweet ballistic pulsated beyond noise, build a climate and extract seasons. Movement disorders know within me to smile at panic. Let the feeble whoring just sleep and look. I claim fatherhood of the earth to Orion civilizations and a flock of kudu birds. And that sapphire drinking knuckleheads step in purgatory on the outskirts of the universe.
You want more?
You want more? You got more, nigga.
You want more?
You got more. You got more.
You want more?
You got more.
And then you niggas say you rap. And then you niggas say you can rap. If ever you say you can rap, come here, nigga. Come through, man. Ever rebel culture, baby. You know how we do. Let's go. Yeah, shout out to Obsession, shout out to Exquisite, shout out to Verbalist, man. It's Urban Rebel Culture, baby. Yeah, the Cypher, we out. Crack Flowly, Hippie Nadi, your uncle's favorite uncle, man. Yo. Like off, yo. Up. No, Exquisite, dog. Alright, cool look, dog. The Cypher. Like, can you talk about the Cypher?
Yeah, man.
Like, the Cypher. What for you, dog? Like, if I was like to Kirgizana Cypher, what must I bring, dog?
Which cipher? This side.
This cipher.
Yeah, man, bring your A game, dog. Nothing but the best.
Yeah.
Nothing but the best. Bring
Yeah.
your A game. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's all I can say.
Your A game.
Bring your A game.
Yeah. If
Or
not,
stay home. One. Or stay home. Go big or go home.
go big or go home, dog.
Yeah.
Yeah. My nigga, shout out. That was a dope fucking cipher.
Yeah,
dude.
man.
One time. Yo, Verb. And I'm running with my co-host as always. You know what it doing. It's your boy, top of the first. Yo, Verb.
Ah, twalang ga, o dira eng? Ha o dira.
My nigga for days.
Ha o dira.
It's our cipher. Like, excuse me to bring your A game, dog.
Yeah. Ke tsalo mo sa ne ke start.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is it all we can say, dog?
Yeah,
Like,
A
so
game.
it's got obsession for it.
Making.
A
What
game.
about our rap? Play, like I like the way the cipher was compiled.
Yeah.
Wow, even though compiled a little different, if there was a different style within this, because they are complementary.
Yeah.
It is. Wow,
Yeah, that's true.
it gelled together nice.
Gelled well, man.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
I'm happy about it. And if you know what I hold, I'm trying to rap exactly on that same level. Anyway. And it was not pressure. Now I know you do last.
Shit.
You do last. You don't have to do last. Hard.
Hard. No fourth member needed, bro. Like, but Fetu, like, imagine let's start at the way we start thing at this level. You know, you can only imagine what's coming up next. You know, and but Fetu, I don't yes, I see the idols. See, I see the idols. See that in. We see that. I see yo obsession, man. What's up, dog? You good? I'm good.
I'm good.
Like I said, the cipher, dog.
Yeah.
A game, go Pascal Buaka A game. Can we
Yeah.
talk about something else though?
Ah,
Besides A game.
A++ game.
yo.
Yeah, like
A game of A game.
A game, dog. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, when I'm out, dog, like, by Lord, I must start to look about hate. You know, like the message out there, you know. But if you want to be like the realest of the realest, like the way you niggas are, the way you besanga things, the style is how say, like style is alona. I think if none gonna nyoko like, kana there is a CIA sa gona sa URC. Invest reform a crew, reform a band, you know, it make man like I say, like I say too, dog, you know.
Yeah.
So like, okay, like to the people out there, like especially when they wanna do what you are doing, though. You know,
Yeah.
not everybody can do this, but there are people out there, or youngins especially, you know, they wanna do what these guys are doing, you know. Yeah. What can you say about okay? But like besides the A game, because A game, yeah, we can say A game, but Mauti about A game, yeah, no content, the car A game, Engle. Go Baba Fayo on it.
It's not that technical, man. Like, you just got to do what you love and love what you do.
Yeah,
So it depends. You must know where you are going.
yeah.
And if you're going to war, you can't come with a knife.
Oh
You
yeah,
know?
yeah.
So you have to be prepared. Practice makes perfect.
True.
Especially with hip hop, it's an art that you have to keep on practicing to get better at. You know, there's different things you have to learn. You know, flow, delivery, schemes, etc.
Yeah.
So you have to keep at it and keep on improving. But the most important ingredient is love, man.
Love, man.
We have been passionate about this since we started.
Yeah.
So
True.
So the way we are doing it now is just to show that it's something that we love.
That's what's up, Bafetu.
Yeah.
For the love of the culture, man. So, Bafetu, like, while fast, if they wanna like follow you, like, I want Facebook, WhatsApp, if you don't mind giving out your numbers and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't stop.
Don't stalk it, man. Yeah.
Sage on all platforms.
Sage.
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 SAGE. Yeah.
Sage on all platforms, man. Mogolo.
Verbalist.
Verbal.
Niels.
Niels. Niels ka eng tau? Hopele Niels. K-N-E-E-N-E-E-L-E-S.
Nah. It's in Neles.
I'm asking though.
Niels.
N-double-E.
N-W-E-L-S.
On all platforms. My king.
No, don't follow me, dog. You'll find me here.
Don't follow, you'll find him on Urban Rebel Culture, baby. For the culture. It's your boy Craig Flow on all platforms. Follow me, please. We out.